3x3. I don't think you should have a 2x2 until you've done the 3x3, but I've known some people who have. So I'll teach it to you all the way. Alright. So let's start with white. I'm going to start with this piece right here. That's an easy way to start, the one with the symbol. And you're going to find corner pieces like this one. Just found one, right here. This one's blue, orange, white. This one's blue, red, white. And the two blues, they go on the same side. So you're going to try to get into place right under where it's supposed to go. Down, over, up, over. And now it's in place. Let's see. This one right here. Orange, green, white. There's orange, blue, white. So it's going to go on the orange side. Get it under where it's supposed to go. And this one's going to take a little bit of time. Down, over, up, over, right? Down, over, up, over. Not the right piece. Down, over, up, over. Down, over, up, over. And one more time. Down, over, up, over. Found the last piece. Get into place. It's red, green, and white. Red and green. Down, over, up, over, down, over, up, over, down, over, up. And I guess over. So this part's a little bit more complex, but you're going to start with the side, the corner piece, and get into place. So it's red, green, yellow. Yellow is going to be up because white's the bottom. So that piece is in place. Actually, all of them are in place right now, so hold on. Alright, that piece is in place. So what you're going to do, if none of the other ones are in place, you're going to go over, up, over, up, over, down, over, down. And you're going to do that a couple times. Down, over, down. And now they're all in place. And now you will get some things where you might have it like that, and you're going to go over, up, over, up, over, down, over, down. And you might do it over and over and over and over and over and over and over again, but it won't work. If that happens, just flip it again, or flip it 2 or 3 times, try another side, and it'll probably work. I had to learn that the hard way. I didn't even use a video when I was learning how to do this. Okay, so now that they're all in place, you're going to do the same thing. Down, over, up, over. Down, over, up, over. Down, over, up, over. Down, over, up. But now it's in place, don't do the last over. Flip the cube. Down, over, up, over. Down, over, up. Flip the cube. Down, over, up, over. Down, over, up, over. Down, over, up, over. Down, over, up. Down, over, up, over, down, over, up. And now the cube is solved. Now you will get it to a point where you will have, once you have all the pieces in place, whoa, okay. One of them is going to be facing up. Hold on. They're almost all in place. Green is the top now, by the way. When there's, okay, in this one, when there's 2 on opposite sides and they're the only 2 that you're getting together, flip it once or twice and do it again. Sorry, this video is taking a little bit, but you're gonna get one. Ooh, here's the good point. If these 2 are solved, and these 2 are not, and they need to switch, go to this one and get that one into place and do the same algorithm I just showed you. And you should get all of them in place. Yep. You will come to a point where one of the greens is already up. And when that happens, you just, when you're doing the down, over, up, over, down, over, up, over, down, over, up, over, and so on, if this one's done, you're going to turn it and then go to this. So just going to turn the top piece and go to this. Since that's not what's happening, I'm going to go ahead and solve the cube, and thank you guys for watching.